Introduction and write numbers 51 to 16.
Students, see in this chart. How many beads are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are 10 beads. How many beads? 10. बच्चों देखो इस चार्ट में यहाँ पर बीड्स है. कितने बीड्स है? ये 10 बीड्स है. और ये जो एरो है ये हमें क्या बता रहा है? ये 10 बीड्स को हमने इस धागे में बांध दिया. देखो इस धागे में कितने बीड्स है? काउंट करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. जब 10 बीड्स को इकट्ठा एक साथ बांध दिया जाता है तो उसे हम कहते हैं 1/10. When we tie 10 beads in a chain, that we call them 1/10. जब हमने इसको चेन में बांध दिया है तो यहाँ पर कोई सिंगल बीड्स है क्या? नहीं है ना. तो उसके यूनिट को क्या कहते हैं? कितनी यूनिट है अभी यहाँ? 0. जब 10 वस्तुओं को इकट्ठा बांध देते हैं और कुछ भी सिंगल बीड्स या वस्तु नहीं बचती है तो हमारा यूनिट 0 रहता है. तो 10s कैसे बनते हैं? 10 वस्तुओं को, किसी भी चीज़ को एक साथ बांधने पर 1/10 बनता है. Student, see in this chart. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chain of beads. Here is 1/10 plus 1/10, 2/10 plus 1/10, 3/10 plus 1/10, 3/10 plus 1, 4/10 plus 1/10, 4/10 plus 1/10, 5/10. When we open this first beads of chain, we got 10 beads. When we open second chain, we got 10 beads. 10 plus 10, 20 beads. When we open third chain of beads, we got 10 beads. 20 plus 10, 30 beads. When we open fourth chain of beads, we got 10 beads. 30 plus 10, 40 beads. We open fifth chain of beads, we got 10 beads. 40 plus 10, 50 beads. So 5/10 is equal to 50. 5/10 is equal to 50. Student, see in this chart how many bundles of 10s. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bundles and 1 single sticks. 5 bundles, 5 10s. 1 single stick, 1 unit. 5 10s, 1 unit. 51. 51. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundle of 10s and 2 single sticks. 5 10s, 2 units. 5 10s, 2 units. 52. 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles. 1, 2, 3. 3 single sticks. 5 tens. 3 units. 5 tens. 3 units. 53. 53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundle of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single sticks. 5 tens. 4 units. 5 tens. 4 units. 54. 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundle of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 single sticks. 5 tens. 5 units. 5 tens. 5 units. 55. 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 single sticks. 5 tens. 6 units. 5 tens. 6 units. 56. 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 single sticks. 5 tens. 7 units. 5 tens. 7 units. 57. 57. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 single sticks. 5 tens. 8 units. 5 tens. 8 units. 58. 58. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 single sticks. 5 tens. 9 units. 5 tens. 9 units. 59. 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of sticks. Single stick is no one there. 6 bundles. 6 tens. 0 unit. 6 tens. 60. 60. Listen carefully and repeat. Students, listen carefully and repeat after me. 5 tens. 1 unit. 51. 51. 5 tens. 2 units. 52. 52. 5 tens. 3 units. 53. 53. 5 tens, 4 units. 54, 54. 5 tens, 5 units. 55, 55. 5 tens, 6 units. 56, 56. 5 tens, 7 units. 57, 57. 5 tens, 8 units. 58, 58. 5 tens, 9 units. 59, 59. 6 tens, 0 unit. 60, 60. 'Read and write numbers. 51, FIFTYONE 51. 52, FIFTYTWO 52. 53, FIFTYTHREE 53. 54, FIFTYFOUR 54. 55, FIFTYFIVE 55. 56, FIFTYSIX 6 56. 57, FIFTYSEVEN 57. 58, FIFTYEIGHT 58. 59, FIFTYNINE 59. 6 tens, 60, SIXTY 60.